My name is Sophia, and on my channel we do so for real, on my channel we do vlogs, we do challenges, and I tell you about my natural skincare line called Natural Deluxe. So yeah, if you are new here, welcome. Happy New Year. I think this is my first video for 2024. Happy New Year, happy Valentine's Day, and we are doing a weekend vlog today. And today I am all dressed up because I am actually headed to get my eye doctor appointment, so I am dressed for that. But I wanted to prep some stuff before I left. So this morning I was really busy. I made some product, I disinfected some bottles, and now I am waiting for them to dry. So while I'm on my appointment, they're drying. So then when I come back, I'll just, pour it and get that all done. But I wanted to show you guys, I am finally finishing up my kitchen organizing. So I finally got this product from Amazon because this video was sponsored by Amazon, aka not really sponsored. But I bought all products used in this video for my kitchen organization from Amazon. So yeah, this is my last, I think this is my last order before I'm actually done. So I'm gonna finish that up. But I just wanted to come say hi, hello, welcome. I'm here and happy 2024. So yeah guys, that's what I'm doing. So I'm gonna go into that, get that all done, put these in the thing to disinfect because that's what I'm gonna do, and then head to my appointment. So I'll see you guys later. If I recorded some parts of this video, because I just looked at it and then I see that it wasn't recorded, so I don't know what I got and what I didn't get. So anyways, like I was saying, I'm finishing up these and I'm going to head out, leave them, let them dry while I'm out. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna empty this.
No way. He's the one that turned the darkness into light.
Guys, it is damn near almost 3 o'clock. My appointment was for 1. I have a hard time picking stuff out, but I'm gonna post some pictures of me with different glasses, and you guys could guess which one I pick out. This is only gonna be a weekend vlog, so you're not gonna see the glasses because it takes like 5 to 8 days, business days. So yeah, I'm about to go drive down to get some food because I am starving. I've not eaten anything all day but water.
Nobody else.
So I got some rice, chicken, 3 different. Got the red pepper, the feta, I think, with some coleslaw, corn, and tomatoes and cucumbers. That's it. With a drink and the bread.
Fake everything just to wash your cry. Almighty love, no they shame.
So guys, I did not record a lot of the stuff that I was talking. I was just talking and there was not even any video recorded. So what we're gonna do now, I have my list of seasonings that I had. So I'm gonna put those on jars and then we're going to fill them. I think I want to do them like that. So
ìwọ nìkan ni mo ní láyé mi. Jésù, ìwọ nìkan ni mo ní láyé mi. I look unto the hills from where cometh my help. My help comes from the Lord Most High, thou maker of heaven and the earth. Tọrẹ bá dà ọ́ má ṣe sọkún mọ́, gbẹ́kẹ̀rẹ́ lé Jésù. He's gonna make everything alright. He's the one that makes a way where there is no way. He's the one that turned the darkness into light. He's the promise keeper, he won't let you fall. He's the ruler of my soul. He's the one, he's the one. Jesus, ìwọ nìkan ni mo ní láyé mi. Nobody like you. Jesus, ìwọ nìkan ni mo ní láyé mi. Jesus, ìwọ nìkan ni mo ní láyé mi. Nobody like you. Jesus, ìwọ nìkan ni mo ní láyé mi. Jesus, ìwọ nìkan ni mo ní láyé mi. Nobody like you. Jesus, ìwọ nìkan ni mo ní láyé mi. Jesus, ìwọ nìkan ni mo ní láyé mi. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Amen. Jesus, ìwọ nìkan ni mo ní láyé mi. 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 Nobody else, ọ̀rẹ́ òtítọ́, ṣọwọ́ láyé yìí. Jésù nìkan ni kí n já ní kúlẹ̀.